OUKITEL is planning to announce a new handset in the near future, the OUKITEL U18. This device will sport a notch at the top, though it will ship out with rather thin bezels. Its side bezels will be extremely thin, while its bottom bezel will also be thin, but not to the extent of the side bezels. The phone will sport the company's branding on the back, while it will ship with a rear-facing fingerprint scanner, and a dual-camera setup on the back. That being said, this design is definitely reminiscent of the iPhone X, though the OUKITEL U18's bezels will be thicker than those on the iPhone X, not by much though, it seems. The OUKITEL U18 will sport a display which will offer a 21:9 aspect ratio, which is quite interesting, as it means that the display will be quite tall. Now, in addition to sharing some info about the phone, the company has also shared the first promo video for the OUKITEL U18, which you can check out down below, as the video is embedded below the article. This is basically a hands-on video with the phone, so you should be able to check out all the design features that you may be interested in. The OUKITEL U18 is made out of metal, and the company says that the first unit is already being tested, as OUKITEL already installed Android on it. This smartphone will arrive with a 5.85-inch HD Plus display with a 1512 by 720 resolution. The phone will also pack in 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of native storage, and that's pretty much all the spec info that the company shared thus far, though we're sure that more info will become available in the near future. Those of you who are interested in this smartphone should know that the company will start producing OUKITEL U18 retail units by the end of this month, which means it could start shipping to consumers next month. The device will get listed on OUKITEL's website in the near future, and at that point, we'll have all the necessary info to share with you, but it seems like this will be a mid-range smartphone, and it will almost certainly be fueled by one of MediaTek's processors, quite probably from the Helio P series of chips, but we're only guessing at this point. OUKITEL is planning to announce a new handset in the near future, the OUKITEL U18. This device will sport a notch at the top, though it will ship out with rather thin bezels. Its side bezels will be extremely thin, while its bottom bezel will also be thin.